Real estate term of the day, mediation. One of the resolution that a broker has if he's holding the escrow deposit and if he has a problem is mediation. Now, what is mediation? Well, he has to hire a mediator. The problem with hiring a mediator is that it's non-binding. So the mediator will sit and talk to the seller and talk to the buyer and try to come up with a happy medium or come to a conclusion. However, either side can say, no, I would not accept that. And the broker has to start all over and come up with a different plan and try and settle the money, the funds in escrow. The mediator does have up to 90 days. Now, the sad part is that mediator has to get paid, and he gets paid from the escrow. That's where most likely the money will come from. Hey, for more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one tutoring session with me, go ahead and pick a time and date. I'll be more than happy to help you. And of course, I'm talking about the Florida Sales Associate Test and or the broker's test. Many blessings to you.